Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor X7 and let me share with you how to check IMEI and serial number of this device. So basically we've got two different ways in order to check those numbers. The first one requires a secret code and the second is using the settings. Of course I'll show you both and I'd like to begin with the secret code. So we have to open the dialer, the phone application, and enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with both IMEI numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. So let's tap on OK, and let me show you another way to check those numbers. It will be quite useful if for some reason the secret code won't work. Then you will still be able to check those numbers using the settings. So as I said, let's enter the settings. Right here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. And now let's scroll down to this section. As you can see right here, we've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. And if you'd like to also check the serial number, which is, as you can see, not shown here, no worries, just tap on the status. And as you can see, the serial number will appear right here. So basically that's all. This is how to check IMEI and serial number in your Honor X7. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.